Have you ever pondered the marvel of generating electricity from water? It sounds like magic, doesn't it? But in fact, it's pure science, a science that has been harnessed for centuries to power our world. Today, we delve into the fascinating science behind this process. So how does water become a source of electricity? The answer is through a process known as hydroelectric power. This process transforms the kinetic energy of flowing or falling water into mechanical energy, which then gets converted into electricity. Picture a large dam. It's not just a wall of concrete holding back water, but a colossal power generator. The water held back by the dam creates a huge reservoir. The potential energy of this reservoir is immense. When released, this water flows downhill and turns a large wheel called a turbine. The turbine is connected to a generator, and as the turbine spins, so does the generator. The spinning generator then creates electricity. But let's break down that process a little further. What exactly is happening inside that generator? Inside the generator, the spinning motion causes a magnet to rotate within a coil of wire. This rotation induces a flow of electrons within the wire, creating an electric current. This current is what we harness as electricity, ready to power our homes, businesses, and cities. While large-scale hydroelectric power plants are the most common way we generate electricity from water, they're not the only way. There's also tidal power, which harnesses the energy of the ocean's tides, and wave power, which uses the kinetic energy of ocean waves. Even raindrops falling on a surface can generate a tiny amount of electricity. Now, you might be wondering, is this a green source of energy? The answer is yes. Hydroelectric power is a renewable energy source. The water cycle is a continuous process, which means as long as we have rivers and rainfall, we can generate hydroelectric power. It doesn't produce harmful emissions like fossil fuels, making it much better for our planet. However, it's important to note that while hydroelectric power is renewable and relatively clean, it's not without its challenges and environmental impacts. Dams can disrupt local ecosystems, and the construction of new power plants can displace communities and wildlife. In summary, water becomes a source of electricity through the process of hydroelectric power. This involves transforming the kinetic energy of flowing or falling water into mechanical energy, which then gets converted into electricity. Large dams are the most common way to harness this power, but it can also be generated through tidal, wave, and even rain power. While hydroelectric power is a renewable and relatively clean energy source, it does have its challenges and environmental impacts. Science is indeed a powerful tool, transforming something as simple as water into a source of electricity that powers our world. The next time you switch on a light or charge your phone, remember the remarkable journey that electricity has taken from the depths of a reservoir, through a spinning turbine, and into the wires of your home.